What's up, everybody in my Two Belt Nation? How's everybody doing out there? I'm back here with another video on leak detection. I'm here and I'm trying to find out where this leak is coming from. First step in leak detection. Okay, I'm gonna remove this cover here, this pipe cover. Get this thing out of here. And already I can see some signs of leaking. I don't know if you can quite see it. I'll zoom in a bit. We can see where this water's coming from. Okay. It seems that we have water coming from there now. You want to inspect everything, visually make sure that everything is dry. We're going to turn the water on now and see if we can find where this leak is coming from. Everything is dry. Want to make sure that you inspect everything and that the area is dry. Okay. All right. I'm trying to get this leak together. Okay, see the leak there. So it is actually leaking. There's a small crack in the return. Yeah. I just want to give a special thanks to all my viewers, especially my subscribers who are part of the Two Belt Nation. I appreciate everybody for helping my channel grow. I'm going to continue to make content, and this is my first video that I'm editing, and it's only going to get greater. I'm going to do more projects. I would love to hear you guys' feedback about different projects that you would like to see me work on. And I just want to say to everybody again, thank you. And to my Two Belt Nation, I really appreciate you guys. And let's keep it going and let's keep on building.